What is the difference between an NFT store and an NFT marketplace?
So store is mostly when the store owner is selling something, right? So I'm the store owner. I want to sell some shoes. So I will open a store, I will sell my shoes, and buyers will take the shoes and go away. That's it. That's called a store. Where only the seller is the store owner. But in the marketplace, what happens is seller might be the store owner or someone else as well, which is a non-store owner. So in NFTs, there is a concept of secondary market, which does not exist in Shopify or other Amazon.com. So secondary market is like majority of the market where now what is the difference between this primary and secondary market that I think I should explain first. So primary is when a creator is selling something to a buyer, and secondary is when a buyer is selling something to another buyer. That is called a secondary market. So traditional e-commerce websites do not have this concept, but NFTs have this concept where they have to allow the store owners have to allow their buyers to sell that same NFT on their store to other buyers. So naturally that store will become a marketplace because now seller might be someone else as well or the buyer, right? So essentially, even if you are positioning it as a store, it will still be somehow considered as an NFT marketplace. However, you can make sure with NFTically that only you as a store owner are the creator of NFTs. Every sale happening on the secondary market will be the secondary market of your own NFTs. That can happen very easily. So you may block anyone coming from outside, minting a fresh NFT on your store and sell it to someone else. That you can easily block. Then in that case, it will remain purely a store, right? And if you want, okay, no, I want anyone to come and mint and sell, then it becomes a marketplace. That's the difference. So we support both. If you're curious about NFTs and want to learn more about it, join our Telegram and Discord community. We have a lot of users, content, people talking about NFTs. You can get a chance to win free NFT token every week, and link is available in the description. Also, for any further questions regarding NFTs, NFTically, how to sell, how to buy, please post your questions on Twitter using my tag name AskTosh and hashtag AskTosh, and I'll be more than happy to reply and answer on that thread or tweet.